In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a text box in PowerPoint. This is a really simple task once you've seen it done, but it can be confusing if you're new to PowerPoint or if the text box just doesn't seem to go away. So I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly, and you can follow along on your own presentation. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide that contains the text box you want to remove. Make sure you're in normal view, so you can see the slide clearly in the center and your thumbnails on the left. Next, move your mouse pointer over the text box you want to delete. You're looking for the box that has the text you don't need anymore, whether it's a title, a bullet list, or just a small note somewhere on the slide. Now, click once directly on the edge of the text box. You should see a border appear around it, usually with small circles or squares on the corners and sides. This border tells you the box is selected. If you click inside the box and see a blinking text cursor, that means you're in typing mode, not selection mode. In that case, just click again on the border so the entire box is highlighted. Once the text box is selected, deleting it is straightforward. On your keyboard, press the Delete key or the backspace key if delete isn't available. As soon as you do this, the entire text box, along with all the text inside it, will disappear from the slide. If nothing happens when you press delete, double-check that the box is actually selected. You should always see that outline around the box before you remove it. If you accidentally delete the wrong text box, don't worry. Just press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac to undo your last action and restore the box. You can repeat this exact process for any other text boxes on the slide or on other slides in your presentation. Click the box so it's selected, confirm the border appears, and then press delete. That's all you need to do to delete a text box in PowerPoint. With this simple method, you can clean up your slides, remove placeholder text you don't need, and keep your presentation looking neat and professional.